Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium cloth heated bucket seats, as well as cruise control, eco mode, Bluetooth connectivity, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to do this all-black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom here. We're going to have the speakers right next to it with the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Just got a black handle there. And onto the seats. Heated cloth bucket seats, both manual, pretty comfortable. Left side you'll have your traction control. Left side of steering wheel will be your mode selector as well as your voice recognition. And the right side will be your cruise control. Now for the odometer here, you can switch through pretty much all you need. Settings here as well as your gauges, your all-wheel control, as well as your eco mode. And this goes back down to your trip info. Pretty straightforward. It's just you're gonna have your classic key as well. And onto the infotainment system. Can be you can use the touchpad here, or it is just touchscreen. And you're going to have downloadable apps with Bluetooth audio, as well as USB, day and night. As you can see, you're going to have your vehicle information, as well as you can access your location, just the latitude and longitude. For those hard to find spots, pretty straightforward. Below, you're going to have your climate controls, pretty straightforward as well, with your eco mode, 2 USB, as well as a 12 volt with some extra storage. The heated seat control as well as the all-wheel control. Like I said, you got the touchpad here. It's pretty convenient. You just swipe through, just like that. It goes all the way through. Classic handbrake and center console with more storage. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable as well. And then here you just got your reading lamps. That's pretty much it. You get these 18-inch aluminum wheels on Westlake tires, paint match mirror caps and door handles as well. Tinted rear glass. Back. This up, we're going to have the 60/40 folding seats, lamps and storage on the sides here, as well as extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Move on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage next to the cup holder, power windows. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side. And on the bottom, you're just gonna have a 12 volt. Fortunately, no cup holder armrest. They're just in the door there. Lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here, Wolfe Chevrolet, as we checked out this 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, as well as heated cloth bucket seats, as well as all-wheel control, touchpad, eco mode, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.